At dawn, the valley awakes to harvest the world's most precious rose. Every blossom must be picked before the morning sun evaporates its oil. Within 2 hours, these petals will begin their transformation in the copper stills. Within hours of harvest, steam releases the pure botanical soul of the petals. Thousands of blossoms yield merely a single drop of precious golden essence. The balance is absolute, and the heart note blooms with pure velvet. A single breath captures thousands of petals.
We have 2 hours before the morning sun touches the petals.
Sector 4 is ready for the first harvest pass.
The morning dew is just right, and we need to clear this entire ridge before sunrise. Only take the fully opened blossoms so the volatile aromatic oils stay concentrated. Every single blossom gathered this morning holds the pure soul of the valley. The morning sun is climbing fast, and let's load these baskets now.
Handle them gently. Every intact petal preserves the pure oil. Within minutes of harvest, thousands of fresh blooms travel directly to the stills.
Keep the crates moving before the morning heat rises.
Every single batch is indexed to ensure absolute traceability from dawn to distillation. Within minutes of picking, the harvest enters climate-controlled transport to safeguard every fragile essence.
Within minutes of harvest, the delicate blooms begin their swift journey to extraction. Every shipment arrives at the extraction facility under strict temperature and time limits. Precise gross weight and thermal data are instantly recorded to verify the morning harvest yield.
Every incoming harvest lot is logged with precise timestamps and verified weights. Ventilated containers are immediately transferred to prevent heat buildup and aroma loss. Within minutes of arrival, fresh petals spread across sorting belts for purity verification. Every single imperfect petal is removed by hand to safeguard the absolute purity of the essence. Trained eyes ensure that only pristine blossoms proceed to the hydro-distillation stills. A synchronized multi-tier inspection guarantees that only the finest harvest enters the copper alembics. Only flawless petals survive the rigorous selection to preserve the pure heart of the fragrance. A controlled sample is gathered to verify density, moisture, and aromatic potency. Every gram is calibrated to guarantee standard yield and supreme essence concentration. Every individual petal must retain optimal cellular moisture before molecular extraction begins. A single microliter reveals whether nature's balance of citronellol and geraniol is flawless. The Damascenone peak is extraordinary, and this harvest has achieved absolute perfection.
With analytical purity confirmed, the automated gates release the harvest toward the stills. Inside the grand extraction hall, monumental stills stand ready to capture the fleeting essence. Thousands of delicate petals descend together, ready to surrender their liquid gold. Once the chamber is sealed, the delicate transformation under pure steam begins. Precise temperature curves ensure the most volatile aromatic molecules are gently preserved. Rising steam unlocks the essence, carrying thousands of scent compounds skyward. Carried by pure vapor, the volatile essence travels through precision cooling systems to begin condensation. As temperature drops, the aromatic vapor condenses into a pristine, liquid distillate. Lighter than water, the precious liquid gold floats to the surface, pure damask rose oil.
Thousands of harvested petals yield only a few concentrated drops of pure liquid gold. An entire morning harvest captured within a single glass vessel. Complementary white florals arrive to build the complex heart notes of the final fragrance. Every complementary flower is hand-selected to ensure pure aromatic perfection. Controlled low-temperature extraction captures the fragile fragrance molecules intact, vaporized and recovered in a closed loop, leaving behind pure, concentrated absolute. The resulting floral concrete holds the dense soul of thousands of freshly gathered blooms. Ethanol washing and microfiltration strip away heavy waxes, isolating pure, radiant absolute. Flawless clarity. The aromatic profile is extraordinarily rich and intact. Two distinct extractions, ready to harmonize into an exquisite olfactory architecture. In the quiet of the atelier, hundreds of botanicals await precise orchestration. A single drop alters the entire heart accord. Every fraction of a gram determines the final soul of the fragrance. Citrus, wood, and rare aroma molecules unite in harmonious balance. Steps. Modifications 14, 15, and 16 record the evolution of perfection.
The heart notes have opened, but the rose balance still needs precision. Just one drop of the Damascena essence to anchor the accord. This is the one. The formulation is complete.
With formula validation complete, the electronic batch record transmits directly to blending. Scale-up begins in cleanroom vessels designed to safeguard volatile aromatic fractions. Pure alcohol and precious concentrate merge under strictly monitored, hermetic flow. Controlled agitation ensures every molecular element balances in complete harmony. Real-time telemetry tracks every second of integration under exacting thermal stability. In the quiet stillness of the maturation cellar, time transforms the blend into pure luxury. In the silent chill of the cellar, time binds the complex floral molecules together. The maceration has stabilized, the floral profile is completely rounded. Controlled cryogenic chilling separates natural waxes, ensuring crystal clarity. Multi-stage submicron filtration removes every crystallized botanical wax, ensuring pure optical brilliance. The liquid is completely limpid, with perfect optical clarity and no trace of haze. Chromatographic analysis confirms the exact molecular harmony of the damask rose essence. The sensory profile matches the certified olfactory curve perfectly.
Batch approved for final filling.
With certification complete, the refined essence flows into the bottling line.
Each heavy glass flatten is crafted to protect the precious essence within. High-speed optical sensors verify absolute clarity and structural perfection. Precision laser etching seals the artisanal identity onto every vessel. Each flaken undergoes static neutralization and ionized air purification before receiving a single drop. Within this sterile sanctuary, cutting-edge automation preserves the absolute integrity of the botanical extract. Drop by drop, the concentrated soul of 10,000 hand-picked blossoms fills the bespoke vessel. Every drop is measured to absolute molecular perfection. A hermetic seal locks the delicate volatile notes in place. Robotic precision crowns each bottle with bespoke luxury hardware. Every microscopic millimeter is scrutinized to ensure absolute structural perfection. Human mastery provides the final stamp of uncompromising luxury. Encased in protective luxury, the essence is prepared to begin its journey to the world.
From the precision of automated production, the finished essence travels to the sensory panel.
The final formula is complete, perfectly captured in every single bottle.
Let the top notes settle before we analyze the heart. The dry down reveals the purest velvet heart of the harvest. Batch certified flawless. Ready for the world. From dawn petals to liquid gold, the essence is born. Every drop carries the soul of the dawn harvest. Pure, timeless elegance in the air. A presence that lingers long after you enter. A single drop carries the memory of dawn. Pure essence needs no introduction. The journey of the rose continues.
Every drop carries the soul of 1,000 petals, born from earth and elevated to art. From field to flagon, the timeless legacy of the Damask rose endures.